As the holiday season comes to a close, it's time to take down the Christmas tree, guys. The ornaments, the ribbons, you name it. And I'm taking you along as I carefully take down the trees and begin to transition my space for the winter season, you know, for a new chapter in our home decor journey. Hello my beautiful family, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much to my returning subbies for always spending time with me. And to my new subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you for stopping by and join this amazing family. Oh wow guys, we've reached over 500 subscribers and I'm incredibly grateful for each and every one of you. Your support, your love, kind words and enthusiasm for my home decor journey mean the world to me. This milestone isn't just a number, but I believe a reminder of the amazing community we are building together. And I want to thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, so let's jump into today's video.
We be out on the coast, swimsuit, two-piece, catch me doing the most. Eating good in Perry, grab a glass, make a toast to life. Just living like it's my life. In these streets, music playing all night. Hawaii, I found my peace on a mountain zip line. Australia stole my heart, and the natives are fine as hell. Oh well, let's spend it all tonight.
Taking down the Christmas tree is often bittersweet to me, guys. But while it marks the end of a joyful season, I believe it also signals a fresh for the new year. I know I'm a bit late, but glad finally have the energy to do so. As you know, this task can be overwhelming, but with the right tips, hacks, and storage ideas, the process can be simple, organized, and even satisfying.
New York, Toronto, Paris, Nigeria, DC, and nations as well. Let's have me go. 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 Take this show on the road.
Okay, with me is when removing ornaments, I always start with the most delicate piece, like the glass. But this year I didn't use any of them, but that would have been what I would start with. So basically, taking down the ornaments, just a great hack is to use dividers like the cardboard or wine boxes. But mine this year was so many I couldn't use a divider. So basically, I'm taking down the toppers from both trees, and since they are delicate, I'm placing plastic bags for added protection so they don't tangle each other. And I'm following the same process for all of them.
Your team treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 lux. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but if you hate me.
But I separated them by using storage bins or totes for each color.
I like luxury, I like fancy things, shine on my body, live like royalty. Let's take this show on the road. Shit, different day. I be bored out my mind. Hometown, love my place, but while I'm in my prime, gotta go get away. Hop a train, cop a flight, and ride. Tonight I gotta break free. My job, those boss be working my nerves. Clock out at phone do not disturb. My boyfriend's cool. I need my girls. The world is ours, so run it up. Let's go to a land where we cannot be found. So off the grid, way too little, slow down. No, me and who when they see me out, booked it 'cause I'm not waiting around for you. Let's fucking go Miami. Let's fucking go Chicago. Let's fucking go Decor. Let's fucking go Houston. Let's fucking go Atlanta. Let's fucking go.
And also I realized I didn't have the I didn't hit the record button when I was taking the lights from the tree. But usually I save the the tube that the lights are wrapped around to avoid the mess of tangling.
Let's fucking go. Trees, new beach, we be out on the coast. Swimsuit, two-piece, catch me doing the most. Eating good in Perry, grab a glass, make a toast to life. Just living like it's my life. In these streets, music playing all night. Hawaii, I found my peace on a mountain zip line. Australia stole my heart, and the natives are fine as hell. Oh well, let's spend it all tonight in a land where we cannot be found. So off the grid, way too late to slow down. No, do what I please 'cause I'm very grown. If you with me, we not staying home tonight. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Yeah, let's fucking go. Let's fucking go.
I am running out of torch, so I'm using I'm using this laundry basket, laundry bag for the rest of my Christmas decor.
You can also label your storage bins for easy access, but I have a ton of clear totes or storage bins, and that helps to see what is inside. I always save the box that the Christmas tree came with to reuse it after the season. And my husband usually helps, but wasn't home and I couldn't properly do so.
Let's take this show on the road. Shit, different day. I be bored out my mind. Hometown, love my place, but while I'm in my prime, gotta go get away. Hop a train, cop a flight, and ride. Tonight I gotta break free. My job, those boss be working my nerves. Clock out at phone do not disturb. My boyfriend's cool. I need my girls. The world is ours, so run it up. Let's go to a land where we cannot be found. So off the grid, way too little, slow down. No, me and who when they see me out, booked it 'cause I'm not waiting around for you. Let's fucking go Miami. Let's fucking go Chicago. Let's fucking go Decor. Let's fucking go Houston. Let's fucking go Atlanta.
Guys, I give up. I tried, but the box is trying to come apart, so I'll just leave it for when my husband comes home, and then he does it better. So I'll leave it for him to do it. Because I tried.
The tree shed like it was nobody's business. So I'm following with vacuuming all the pine needles, glitter, you name it, and I mopped the floor to give it a fresh start. And in the next video, I'll walk you through how I use these beautiful colors for my winter living rooms. living room space. Thank you so much for hanging with me.
Australia stole my heart, and the natives are fine as hell. Well, let's spend it all tonight in a land where we cannot be found. So off the grid, way too late to slow down. No, do what I please, 'cause I'm very grown. If you with me, we not staying home tonight. Let's fucking go, yeah. Let's fucking go, yeah. Let's fucking go, yeah. Let's fucking go, yeah. Let's fucking go. Atlanta, let's fucking go. Tokyo, let's fucking go. Brazil, let's fucking go. London, let's fucking go. South Africa, let's fucking go. Korea, let's fucking go. New York, let's fucking go. Toronto, let's fucking go. Paris, let's fucking go. Nigeria, let's fucking go. DC, let's fucking go. LA, let's fucking go. Let's fucking go.